Albanez with Charlotte County Properties. We're on the corner of State Road 72 and Midnight Pass Road, the heart of Siesta Beach. We're here at the Siesta Breakers, condo we have just listed for sale at $1,200,000, a deal in this location. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,465 square foot condo with travertine flooring, crown molding, new updated white cabinetry. Really a nice condo. In a minute, we're gonna go inside and take a tour. As always, please click the like button if you like this video. If you're interested in this, give me a call. My number's down below. Or interested in any property in either Charlotte County or Sarasota County, I'm your guy. So with that being said, this is Leo Albanez. We'll see you on the next video. Let's go take a tour of this condo.